In today's video, I'm going to teach you I asked DeepSeek AI how to make money fast. It actually worked. Here's exactly how to use DeepSeek to brainstorm fast, realistic cash ideas you can act on within a day or two. First, open your browser and head to Google. You can use the address bar or go to the home page. Either works. This keeps things simple and helps you find the official site quickly. In the search box, type the word DeepSeek. Double-check your spelling so you land on the right result. You're looking for the official DeepSeek website in the search results. Click that official link. If you see multiple options, choose the one that clearly represents the AI platform, not an ad or a lookalike. Once the site loads, switch the site language to English. You'll usually find the language selector near the top of the page. This ensures the interface and responses are easy to follow. Next, click Start Now. That takes you into the chat interface where you can talk to the model and get tailored suggestions. You don't need to install anything. Everything happens in your browser. Now, type your prompt. Here's a strong example you can use as is or customize. Give a ranked list of the fastest ways to make money realistically, focusing on what can get me cash within 24-48 hours. Being specific about ranked, realistically, and the 24-48 hour window helps the model prioritize quick, doable options over vague or long-term ideas. If you want to tighten it further, add a short line about your skills or tools you have on hand, like a car, a printer, or experience with online marketplaces. Keep your prompt clear and concise so the model doesn't guess. When you're ready, click Submit. The model will generate a set of ideas, usually ordered from fastest to slower. Read through the response and notice how each suggestion maps to your time frame. Look for anything that matches your skills, your location, and what you can start today without complicated setup. If a result feels off, just adjust your prompt and submit again. For example, you can ask it to filter for no upfront costs, local options, or ideas I can do after work. A few quick tips before you act. Always follow local laws. Avoid anything that looks like a scam or a get-rich-quick promise, and never share sensitive information. Use the AI to plan steps, draft messages, or create simple listings, but verify details yourself. With these steps, you'll turn DeepSeek into a focused, practical brainstorm partner for fast, realistic cash ideas.